how to deactivate a WhatsApp account. So let's jump in. Deactivating your WhatsApp account is permanent. It deletes your account information, profile pictures, chat history backup, group membership as well. Proceed only if you are sure. To do that, so open your WhatsApp. Now tap onto the three dots on the top right. Here, go to Setting option. Then tap on Account. Here, you will be able to see Delete Account option. Tap on it. Here, you will be asked to enter your phone number in full international format. For example, +91 for India, +977 for Nepal. Once you fill up the form, tap Delete My Account option. Now your account will be deactivated and permanently deleted from WhatsApp. And that's how you deactivate your WhatsApp account in just a few taps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching.